Okay, so in this video we are going to use the count method inside a string. So let's say we are having a string which is hello all, welcome back, and count is used to count the number of times a particular value occurred in particular string. So let's say I'm using a new variable to save that particular value. So as I want to find inside the string which is defined here, so string dot count, and inside the count I am going to mention the particular letter. For example, I write here E, which means it will count the number of times E value is occurred inside this string, right? So now I'm going to print Y. So let's run this. So there are three E, 1, 2 and 3. So by using the same function, what I can do is I can find a particular word also, or you can say a complete string. So I'll run this again. So for this whole part, the index number, oh sorry, as we are counting, so there is only one word, right? So where we can use it is to find out a particular letter or string or any symbol is used inside the string or not. So if I use exclamation sign here, and it will count its one time, right, which is here. And let's say if there is no let's say I write s here, which is not inside the string, it will return 0 because there are 0 times s, right? Okay.